Okay, morning. Here I am again with the next part of our multiplication series, and we're going to be tackling long multiplication. So we're going to start off by multiplying a two-digit number by a one-digit number, and then we're going to work up to more complicated numbers. Of course, the key to all of this is knowing your tables. So as I said in the last video, please get checking your numbers. Do not leave here without knowing your tables. If you get to comp and you don't know your tables, you will have a really tough time. I'm not lying, I know because I've been there, okay? I went to comp not knowing my 7 times table and I really struggled, but I learnt it now and that's one of my favourites. Ooh, get that. So, know your tables. If you don't know your tables for this term, you may use a table sheet. If you don't have one at home, come and get one from me and you can have one to use at home as well as in school. Okay, but please promise me that you'll have a good bash at your tables. Right, on to it. So, first thing we're going to do is multiply a one-digit number and a two-digit number. So, let's have a look. Let's take 47 and we're going to multiply that by 6. Okay, happy with that? So, 47 multiplied by 6. All we're going to do is we're going to lay out the sum using exactly the same symbols that we've got. So start with the big number on the top. So 47. Bring down the little number. The 6 goes directly under the 7. Do not make that 6 go anywhere else. Units under units. Bring down the equal sign. Here it comes. I'm going to put your answer in the middle of the equal sign. That's novel. Bring down your multiplication so that we know what's going on. Don't forget that sign, it's really important later. Okay, so here we go. 6 sevens. We know from our tables, 6 sevens are 42. Okay, so we're not going to write all of that in here. We're going to write the units number down. We're going to take the 4 with us, take the 40 with us. So 6 sevens are 42. Write down the 2. Bring the 4 with us, okay, and pop it just underneath the equal sign. Make that 4 tiny. If you make it too big, you will come a cropper on level 2, okay? I'm promising you that. Okay, so 4 sixes. 4 sixes or 6 fours, it doesn't matter which way round you do it. 4 sixes, 24, okay? But we need to add on these 4s. 24 add 4, 28. We've got nothing else to multiply, so we can write that straight down. And we come to 282. Okay with that? So we've got 47 times 6 is 282. Okay? We'll do one more. Just extend it a tiny bit. So let's get rid of that. So if we want to extend that a tiny bit, we can say we can multiply a 3-digit number by a single digit. So let's have a nice hundreds number. So we've got 382 multiplied by 7. 382 multiplied by 7. Follow the same routine. Bring down the big number first. 382. Bring down your single digit. Now that 7 must sit under the units. So 7 under the 2. Bring down your equal sign. Bring down your multiplication sign. So we've got exactly the same sum set out in a slightly different way. Then start multiplying. 7 2s. We know that. 7 2s are 14. We're only going to write down the units and we're going to take the 10 with us. So 7 2s are 14. Write down the 4. Carry that 1 and it sits directly underneath the 8. Okay? Keep it in line. 7 8s. This is one that everybody hates. 7 8s are 56. Try and remember that. 7 8s are 56. We need to add on this little fella here. 56 add 1, 57. Again, we're only going to write down the units and we're going to take the 10s with us. So, 57, we're going to write the 7 down and we're going to take that 5 with us. Write it tiny underneath the equal sign. 7 3s. 7 3s are 21. Add on this little fella here. 21 add 5 is 26. Oh, yeah. 26, we've got nothing else to multiply, so we can write the whole lot down. So we've got 382 multiplied by 7 gives us 2,674. Now, when we're writing this, because this is quite a chunky number, Once we, after the 1,000, we're going to leave a little gap or a comma. So 2,000, a little gap or a comma, I don't mind which, 674. Okay, and that tells us, that just helps us to read the number better. 2,674. Okay, I hope that makes sense.